In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link to an email in OneNote. This process can be quite useful if you want to streamline communication directly from your notes. You can create a mail-to-link that opens a new email message or link to a specific Outlook email. Let's dive into the first method. To begin, open OneNote. This is the foundational step, and it sets the stage for your task. As you launch OneNote, you will see your existing notebooks and sections on the screen. It's important to ensure you are in the correct notebook where you want to create the email link. Having the right context makes it easier to manage your notes and ensures you can find the link later. Next, select the text or image you want to turn into a link. This could be a specific phrase like email me or an image that represents your contact information. Highlighting the right text or image is crucial because this will be the clickable element in your OneNote. Viewers will see that selected text or image highlighted as you prepare to turn it into a hyperlink, making it visually clear where to click later. Now press Ctrl and K simultaneously or navigate to Insert and then Link in the menu. This step opens a dialog box where you can enter the email address. Using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+K can save you time and help you work more efficiently. The screen will display a prompt where you can input the necessary information for your email link. In the address box, enter mail to followed by the email address like mail2example@example.com. Remember to replace example@example.com with the actual recipient's email address. This is an important detail because the link will not function correctly if the address is not formatted properly. Once you enter the email address, you'll see how this link will work and what it will do when clicked. After entering the email address, click OK. This action confirms your link creation and closes the dialog box. You should now see your selected text or image turn into a hyperlink. This means that your changes are saved and you can now use this link to initiate an email. The viewers will appreciate seeing the link clearly integrated into their notes. Clicking the link will open your default email app with a new message addressed to that recipient. This is a great feature because it saves time by allowing users to quickly start composing an email without needing to manually enter the email address. You will notice a new email draft pop up, ready for your message. Now let's enhance your link by including a subject and body. You can modify the link to include specifics like mail2example@example.com, subject meeting %20 notes, body hello. This small addition can be quite helpful, especially if you want to pre-fill details for quicker access. It streamlines the process even further, ensuring that important information is already in place when the user clicks the link. Important notes to keep in mind. OneNote supports standard mail to hyperlinks for composing new emails. This means you can create as many links as you need, making communication seamless. However, OneNote does not have a built-in feature to manually create a hyperlink directly to an existing Outlook email or an email folder. The recommended workaround is to use Send to OneNote. This feature automatically generates a link back to the Outlook item. This is valuable because it allows you to connect your notes with existing emails, keeping everything organized and accessible. With these steps, you now know how to create a link to an email in OneNote. This process enhances your productivity and ensures that you can swiftly communicate with others directly from your notes. Thank you for watching.